This one is the continuation of I making a video for the old previous photos before I make delete so that I can make a new one. I can download. Okay, ayan they are cousin together. This one is the children of Madam Som's boys, and this one is Celine. That is previous already, that one. And I forgot this one. It's a restaurant. I think it's a restaurant, and then there is a very big place for the children's playing station. It's a restaurant, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Restaurant, that one. And we didn't together. We didn't go there again. That's why. So that's why I am just make a video na lang on these photos, so that I can download to my channel, to my YouTube channel. At least I have a souvenir through like this one system only. Okay, so thank you for watching of this old mga photos. That one, it's nice. This one, nice place. This one, if I'm not mistaken, nice place. But we didn't come back again. This one, that is only once. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's just once talaga yun. Okay, and this one, I think this one in the kid place. Saan ba yun? Doon sa, I forgot, basta sa mga bata rin to, for playground, for that it's like ano bang tawag yun, nakalimutan ko man yun. Yan, always we go there, we go this one, because the owner of this one also is the friend of Madam. Okay, so this one, ayan nice place din also. The picture, that one, ayan okay, nice yun. always if I'm not mistaken talaga, always I will go there. For the kids, what's that, for the kids, for the kids, basta for the kids, that one. I remain only the video, I remain that one so that I can download the videos. This one, just the photos I make delete. Okay, para ano siya, para dagdag souvenir. I will some viewers you can watch also this one, at least that I have already souvenir to download this one. Okay, ayan na. Winsisiyang pa, some girls there. Basta kids, yata yun, kids club. If I'm not mistaken, this one is kids club. Ayan na, masisisi. Ayan na. And that one, always we go there when she small pa. If she sitting 3 years old, yeah, 3 or 2 to 3, like this one. We come here always, this place, that time. Okay, thank you again. Ayan what's there is name, I think there is na name, that one. That is for they can change the attire while they are playing. It's nice, it's good also, that this place, but it's good only for the this one is in the house. It's in the house already. I make it 5 na. Yeah, before. Ayan si Celine. Yeah, she's playing. Ayan si Celine. You see. Thank you again for watching, and bye.